Hello. I'm playing some Tekken. Peyton's right next to me and
Okay, Mr. P.
Mr. P-Red.
I'm the only subscriber, right?
Yeah, he's my only subscriber. Whatever. I want to get some more because I'm playing Tekken.
AKA Minecraft.
Well, that's a mod. It completely changes Minecraft. Make some stuff. Oh yeah. Come on. Alright, so let's just make some wood fence. Now we make a crafting table. Now we gotta make some sticks. Wooden sword. And an axe. Here we go. Alright, so what I want is a bed. I truly want a bed. It's my heart's desire for a bed. So I gotta kill some sheep. Possibly. I don't know if I can hear you. I wonder what happens when I unplug it. How it would take the audio. Maybe I'll unplug the microphone. There we go. I don't know if that changes anything. No, I have my headphones actually get it. The microphone doesn't actually the headset doesn't do whatever. It doesn't capture audio for some reason. Okay. Yeah, it's a weird texture pack.
What is the mod for you?
Yeah, just download Technic launcher. So, oh, hey, look at that. Oh yeah, I should do that like this. I see some lovely trees. Oh, hey, oh, okay. Oh, this is gonna be my home, I think.
You have a secret home.
Well, no one's gonna come on. No one's gonna come to my secret home. Get some more lumber. That's where I'm gonna make my lovely home at. Come on. Alright. So now that I've got not a big amount of stuff, so let's put some more wood. Alright. So Technic, so I'm gonna yeah, probably just put a little bit. So now that I've got some wood, I'll put it in here and I'll take a bunch of them out. And I'll feel like I'll claim. I'm not being too generous, I'm not claiming that much because I don't want to spend too much wood. This is going to be a really small house actually. I'm not really going to do anything on this, in this house thing.
Just a shelter?
Yeah, it's just a shelter thing. So, what's up? Yeah, there's a pig in my house. Makes it ugly. All I need is a roof on my head. It's not the best looking house actually. Quite ugly.
Right, get a door. I'll make a door.
Yep, I'll make a door. A lovely wooden door. Now I'm going to create a bed. Just so when I die constantly, Yeah, it's fine. Let's get some torches, possibly. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. Okay. So here's some iron that I can't get yet. I really want some coal. Oh man, this is just. Oh, man, this is pretty wonky. Copper, uranium, close to the top. Oh, what is that? Lava? Oh. I'm not ready to take this right here. Yeah. We're currently uploading, a thingy. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, zombie playthrough. Yeah, not movie. You need to kind of separate when you upload them day by day, kind of. Maybe upload like 2 days.
A day? Just kill them.
I don't want to kill them. Look at there's a skeleton there.
What are they gonna do? Kill it?
They'll hurt me. They're pretty strong. They do 2.5 hearts of damage to me. Alright, so that's it. Look at this house. This is so ugly.
It's demented.
Ugh. And what's? Oh yeah. At least I have a bunch of of those maple trees or whatever. Oh, look at this. Ugh. Disgusting. It's an abomination. It's just hideous. I'm gonna need to make a bigger thing.
Make a pretty plant.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, I can plant some seeds. Oh wait, I can't plant seeds. I need a hoe, and I'm not gonna. I can't get a hoe yet. And I'm allowed to plant. Actually, I'm not because my mom checks it frequently. Oh, I think she likes it.
Why did you say that frequently?
To make sure I'm not doing anything dirty.
My mom doesn't do anything.
My mom's like super protective for some reason. Apple! I starved to death. Oh, wait a second. I have a bunch of pork chops. Piggies! I'm gonna wear out this wooden sword. Who cares about pigs actually right now? I'm not starting it. Is this just pointless? Yep, it's pointless. How long has this been going? Not that long, I think. Maybe I should end it here and then just start it right away.
It's already 8:30. We're probably sleeping now.
Okay. Alright. I think I'm gonna end this here. So, like, subscribe, favorite, comment, subscribe, whatever, blah, 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 and see you next time.